Hello and welcome to part 5 of this series. So for this part I decided to go back and remake the cutter for the top part of the cylinder. So as you can see in the reference, it has like a difference of height in the middle. So I will adjust the height of this cutter like that and see what works best. I'll make it round as before, nothing different here. I just wanted to model it in two different parts so you can see it pretty well there. So I'll move it down to make it flat where it should be instead of having to revisit vertices after this. So I think that's good enough. I'll make the second cutter now. It's just a polyline, which I'll just close after. It works like kind of like a spline, but gives you the ability to make it, make it rounder. So let me adjust it here. I think I'll have to add more segments just to be able to clean it better afterwards. So like this I think should be fine. Let's convert it to editable poly, delete the cutters that I'm not going to use anymore, add the symmetry, and there it is.